ordered something from Vinted. This will be my first unboxing of the year, I think. I'm not sure I'm going to get through this. This is a thing. I can't find my proper box now, so I've got this thing. See what happens. This is quite a serious bag. Do you guys want to see me struggle, or do you want us to just get into it? Okay, what is this? Oh, it's just like a bag for life inside out. You can see the shop in there. Okay, let me just try and get through it. I'm not doing very well. So let me pause for a second. Okay, yeah, so that's the bag off, and now we've just got the ball wrap. Okay, so these pieces come off. Oh, come on. So that is taped as well. Come on. Oops. So that bit. And if I can get the main body out. If I can get the main body out. Someone didn't want me to open this. It's an absolutely massive thing. Goes like there, something like that, and then the wings go on. I'm not sure which way around, but it's basically super wings. It's like little cutesy little planes that I think can become robots, and this is a giant carrier thing. You can put stuff in there, and I think you can put stuff in there. £8.85 delivered, and it's absolutely monstrous. Like, look at the size of it. It's this is probably isn't far off the tight scale these days, so yeah, I thought I did quite well with that. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Bye bye.